If you want to make Edge your default browser, you might find it's currently Chrome. So in my example here, I've got Chrome as my default. To swap it, you just go to the start menu, write default. It will start popping up with default apps in system settings. And then you'll need to scroll down to Microsoft Edge. And for typical web browsing, you're looking at these four. So HTML files, and HTTP and HTTPS. Now, currently they're Chrome. I could go through them individually and swap them to Edge by clicking on them. Or I can just press this set default button at the top. And now Edge has become my default browser. You can, if you know the difference between different things, choose for different types of files what is your default. But typically just clicking the one at the top will fix it for most people. Having it, whatever browser is your main one, having it also be the main one for PDFs you might find is very useful. And it's that straightforward, and that's done.